Pipiads is a specialized advertising research tool that focuses on uncovering the most successful TikTok advertisements for products, offering a unique edge for dropshippers that target TikTok shopping. So in this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Pipiads to help you decide if it's the right dropshipping research tool for you. I'm going to explain how Pipiads stacks up in different departments such as product discovery features, which is arguably one of the most important features. I'll talk about their supplier database, pricing and subscription costs, automation features, customer support and community, and much more. For your convenience, I've included a link to Pipiads in the description below. Keep in mind that choosing the wrong tool for your e-commerce business can cost you a lot of money and waste a lot of time. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you can make the right decision. Let's get started with the product discovery features that are offered by Pipiads. So Pipiads is particularly strong in identifying trends on TikTok, as you can probably tell based on their page right here. This is really useful and powerful for dropshippers that are looking to capitalize on viral trends. The platform provides detailed insights into which products are gaining traction through successful advertising campaigns, allowing users to discover potential bestsellers before they hit the mainstream market. So what about their market analysis? Market analysis with Pipiads is tightly integrated with TikTok's advertising landscape. It offers detailed analytics on ad performance, including viewer engagement, reach, and demographic information. This enables users to understand not just what products are popular, but why they're popular and how to position them effectively in their own marketing campaigns. But how does it integrate with other platforms? Well, Pipiads primarily serves as an ad spy tool, and it does not directly integrate with e-commerce platforms for product management or listing. However, the insights gained can be used to inform product selections and marketing strategies, no matter what platform you use, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or any other platform. As far as supplier database goes, Pipiads does not include a supplier database. Once again, it's not really focused on the day-to-day management of a dropshipping business. It focuses on the advertising side of it, so it provides insights rather than the full spectrum of dropshipping operations. Users will need to source their own suppliers or use another tool in conjunction with Pipiads if you want to manage your supply. As far as pricing and profitability tools that are offered, the tool doesn't actually traditionally offer pricing and profitability calculators. That's not really the goal of Pipiads, but you can infer the potential profit margins based on the performance and engagement metrics of your ads for similar products, so that can give you a rough idea of what the profits might look like. User interface and ease of use for Pipiads is generally considered pretty good. It's designed specifically for users that are interested in leveraging TikTok ads. The platform's layout makes it simple to find and analyze high-performing ads, and they also have lots of filters that you can use to narrow down your search results based on different criteria. What about the customer support and community? Well, customer support for Pipiads is available via email and live chat. Additionally, they also have a community where members can share their insights and strategies, especially for maximizing the your profitability and performance for your TikTok ads for dropshipping. But let's talk about their pricing, because I'm sure you're interested in that. As you can see, Pipiads offers a subscription model like a lot of other tools. So they have the monthly as well as annual plan. If you pay annually, you can save 30%. So if you're serious about using Pipiads for your dropshipping business, to run ads on TikTok, to analyze them and find trends, I would get the annual plan. You can save a lot of money. It's definitely worth it. And as you can see, they have the starter plan starting at $77 a month, and it goes all the way up to Pro at $263, and their most popular is actually the VIP, which is in between these two at $155 a month. As you can see, what's included in each of them, the number of ads per query goes up as you buy the more expensive plan, all the way up to 5,000. Everything pretty much goes up. With Pro, you actually get everything for not just one person, but for 5 people. So if you're running a bigger operation, Pro might be the better option for you. What about the automation features? Well, Pipiads Pipiads doesn't offer automation in the traditional sense of dropshipping operations. It automates the process of discovering and tracking successful TikTok advertisements, which can save you a lot of time and effort if you're doing market research. For analytics and reporting, they excel in providing detailed information on TikTok ad campaigns, so I can help you find out which is successful and which is not, as well as the conversion potential. Unfortunately, Pipiads does not currently have a mobile app, so if you are planning on using something like this on your phone, then Pipiads is not the right platform for you. But if you're using your laptop anyway, your computer, then that doesn't matter. But what do users say? What's the feedback? What are the reviews like? Well, the general reception of Pipiads is that it's pretty good, especially if you're focused on TikTok ads, which is kind of niche. As you can see on the page right here, Pipiads is simply the perfect tool for product research, the best investment you can make for your e-commerce business to access the latest products and creatives of the moment. So it's definitely a popular platform that a lot of people really like. It's got great reviews and a lot of well-known dropshippers are using them in their business. So overall, Pipiads is an ideal tool for dropshippers that are focused on exploiting the dynamic and rapidly growing TikTok marketplace. Its specialized approach to ad spying on TikTok makes it really valuable for anyone looking to enhance their product offerings and marketing strategies on this platform. Even though it does lack direct e-commerce integration and a mobile app, its strength in TikTok ad analysis makes it one of the best tools in the market for this reason. And if you actually want to try out Pipiads, I've included the link in the description. And of course, I would recommend trying out Shopify as well. It's one of the most popular platforms in the world for running an entire e-commerce operation, no matter how big or small it is. You can actually try it out completely for free using the link in the description. It's 3 days for free, and then it's just 1 month. You get it for just $1. So really affordable. Included both of the links in the description below. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.